Hi everyone, it's Froggy, and today I have for you some new Amigurumi books that I got, and I wanted to share them with you. So, it's a set of 3 books, and they all have to do with the same thing. They literally are a set of 3. So, I'm going to show them. So, see, there's 3. And they are super cool. So, the first book is called Hugo the Frog, and he has 10 crocheted outfit patterns with him. So there gives you an idea of what the patterns are. And this is super cool. I really love it. Well, obviously I love it. It's frogs. So there is your author right there. And I love that. And as we go on, I'm going to show you. These are your outfits in the book. So you have the frog and you have all these wonderful outfits. So we have business attire. We have fall attire. We have 70s clothes. We have a great cozy sweater. There's a bonus pattern of some kittens. And we've got casual attire. We have got a beautiful urban style sweater. We have a boxing outfit including gloves. We've got a color block cardigan, and we've got some gardening with these cute overalls. This is fantastic. I absolutely love it. So I do plan on making the frog and some different outfits for the frog. So I love it. But I want to show you how she does her patterns, which all of the patterns are done this way. Just a quick glance, they're all done in pictorial form. So I like that. It's very helpful for beginners. So this is pretty cool. So a beginner wanting to make these patterns is going to be able to, with these beginner patterns set up in pictorial form, to help you with these. I really do love that. I mean, that is just wonderful. And the bonus costume at the back is Santa Claus outfit, and that's perfect for Christmas. So if you wanted to make this for someone for Christmas, you could do a Santa outfit for your frog. I really think that's downright adorable. Love that. Now the book 2, I have not even opened these books, so I'll be opening them on camera with you and to look in them. And this is book number 2. It's Hugo Fell in Love. And there's 5 crochet patterns for a couple outfits. So that's super cool. Here is the back. That's adorable. Love that. And as we go inside the book, I haven't even opened it. I'm super stoked. So, again, in the beginning is the picture of the author, which I like, and she writes a little note to you. And then we have the patterns. So we have the date outfit, we have a wedding outfit, how cute is that, and we have a swimming outfit, we have the Christmas outfits, which is just super cool, and we have Valentine's Day outfits. That is amazing. Oh, sorry, trying to get it to come in clear. There it is, Valentine's Day outfit. Love that. So I'm going to thumb through here and see if there's any extras. And of course, this is again written the same way as the other book is, with the pictorial. The patterns are done in pictorial form, with the written pattern underneath the pictures, which is going to be very helpful for a beginner crocheter. And just, the pictures are fantastic. They're very helpful, especially for a beginner. Really like that. I like the little details in here, like the flowers, you know, that you would give to your date or for Valentine's Day or whatever. Obviously there's flowers for wedding day. Those are on there. This is really very good book. Well written. These books are also available on Kindle. So you don't have to spend the money to even get it in paperback form. You could just do it on a Kindle form. I happen to like my patterns in paper form. I use a magnifier on them, or my husband will put them on, copy them and enlarge the copies that he makes. So that's very helpful for me. So there was Hugo Fell in Love. I'm going to set that one down. And then the last one that I got is Hugo's Festive Frolics. And there are 6 costumes in this book. And here is the back. There is a cute snowman. Love that. As well as the bee. That is super cool. And I haven't even looked in this one. And again, there is another picture of the author right there. So I'm anxious to see the costumes. Of course I would be, because I'm going to make some of them. So again, we have the bee right there. And then we have a pumpkin. That's so cool. And we have a turkey. Love the turkey. And we have the snowman, of course. We have a chicken costume. That's very funny. And down here we have a Christmas tree costume. That's so cute. And I love that. I really do love that. So there are a lot of amusing costumes in here. They talk about your basic materials, other materials and tools you could need. There are tips and advices for making amigurumi. There's a page all about abbreviations. And again, this one is also done with picture tutorials with the words underneath, which again I find extremely helpful. And there is all the details with all the accessories as well. Like with the chicken, it comes with a basket pattern to make your little basket. Really do love this. Absolutely. Like with the kitten that was in book 1, you know, there's the kitten. I just thought I'd show you that. That is so cute. I can't speak enough to how much I like these. So if you like frogs, I think you would really like this. The costumes are tailored size-wise to fit this particular frog. They are just so fun. I really like this. This is absolutely right up my alley, obviously being froggy that I am. I just found these absolutely adorable. Really fun. I'm looking for the embellishments for the tree and what they used. They made the star, and they used little pom-poms on the tree. So they purchased little pom-poms for the tree. So that is just perfect. They do show you how to make little yarn balls to put on the holly on the Santa hat. So that was the Hugo's Festive Frolics. So I love these books. I think these are absolutely cute. So you have Hugo the Frog. You have, if I could move it now, you got Hugo the Frog, you've got Hugo Fell in Love, and you've got Hugo's Festive Frolics. If you get the books, you do need book 1 to make Hugo the Frog. You can't make, I mean, you can make the costumes, but Hugo is not in book 2 or 3. I'm just letting you know ahead of time. So these books are just spectacular. I'm super excited that I got them. I hope they come out with more. I think they're absolutely adorable. So I hope you enjoyed seeing those books. And I hope you decide to start crocheting some frogs, you know. You can always send them to me. I'm teasing. Anyway, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.